1. How to charge your electric car. Do you already have an electric vehicle, or are you thinking about making the jump? Simply search for electric car charging locations to discover convenient places to charge. 2. Leave the car behind. Ride-sharing has transformed the way we get around. Enter your destination. Choose a service like Uber or Lyft, and let Maps do all the hard work. 3. What's inside? Maps not only takes you to the location, it also shows you what's inside the store. 4. Measure distance or area. Right-click on any map to unlock options. Measure the distance between 2 points with Measure Distance. Calculate the area by connecting 4 or more points. 5. Find out more about the companies. Click on the blue briefcase icon to access detailed information. Accessibility options, health and safety protocols, accepted payment methods, customer support levels, and so on. 6. Accessible places. For those with mobility needs, finding accessible locations is a priority. Enable accessible places by navigating to Settings, Accessibility, Accessible Locations. 7. Real-time traffic updates. Say goodbye to traffic jams. Maps provides live updates and lets you check upcoming traffic conditions for smarter planning. 8. Street View with Pegman. Walk virtually through a neighborhood. Simply drag Pegman onto the map and explore the area from a pedestrian's perspective. 9. AI recommendations. Let maps help you adapt on the go. If it starts to rain, look for alternative activities suggested by AI. 10. Live View. Tap the camera icon to get real-time views of nearby ATMs, restaurants, parks, or transit stations with ratings and hours. 11. Lens in the Maps. Using artificial intelligence and augmented reality, Lens in Maps provides you with instant information about your surroundings. 12. Greenlight Project. Google's Project Greenlight uses artificial intelligence to predict traffic flow and adjust signals, ensuring smoother journeys. 13. Immersive 3D view. Experience places like never before with 3D models that combine street images with cinematic visuals. 14. Conversational search. Discover new places through AI-powered chat that offers smart recommendations tailored to your queries. 15. History Pin. In partnership with Google, History Pin connects the past with the present. Pin your historical photos and stories on a global map and share your legacy with the world. 'If you found this video insightful, hit that like button, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into technology and cybersecurity. Thanks for watching. See you next time.